Today we're taking a close look at some extremely important tools for all you DIYers out there. It's the Sailrite Hole Cutter Toolkit. First things first, let's talk about everything that comes in the kit. You will receive a 12 by 12 inch poundo board, a round maul, and a variety of hole cutter sizes. The sizes included in this kit will give you the ability to set some of the most common pieces of hardware. For example, use the 1/8 inch cutter for snap fasteners and double cap rivets, the 7/16 inch hole cutter for number 3 vent grommets, and with common grommets and spur grommets, this range of cutters will let you set sizes 0 through 5. Each cutter is made from high quality steel, ensuring you get clean cuts even after years and years of projects. And that's because you'll be punching on the Sailrite rubber poundo board, which not only extends the life of your tools, but it'll protect your work surface as well. The soft rubber will prevent your tools from being chipped or damaged, keeping your tools sharper for longer. The board itself also offers some shock and sound absorption, but if you want to increase that effect, you can glue it to something like a marble slab. And finally, this kit comes with the 1 pound Sailrite round maul. This versatile maul is built to last with a steel base, contoured wooden handle, and an exceptionally durable poly head. And my favorite part about working with round mauls is I can pick them up and start working without having to double check to make sure I'm hitting it on the right part of the mallet. And whether you're working with fabric, leather, webbing, or any other materials, this kit is a game changer and will make your projects easier and more precise. And to make it easy to get one for yourself, I'll leave this kit linked in the description below. And go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date on all of our product spotlights, tool tips, projects, and DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.